Want to unlock your app's full profit potential? If you're not tracking lifetime value, LTV, you're leaving money on the table. LTV tells you how much revenue a user generates over their lifetime with your app. But most app developers don't use it correctly, leading to wasted marketing spend and low retention. Today, I'll break down how to calculate LTV and 4 ways to use it for higher profitability. LTV is the North Star metric for sustainable business growth. If you don't know how much each user is worth, how can you decide how much to spend on acquiring them? Get this wrong, and you'll either burn cash on marketing or miss out on profitable opportunities. LTV, formula of stocks, average revenue per user per month. X, average customer lifespan in months. For example, if users spend $5 per month and stay for 12 months, LTV are $60. But if your app has a freemium model, include both purchase revenue and ad revenue. Now let's talk about how to actually use LTV to increase profitability. First, LTV helps you determine your customer acquisition budget. Your customer acquisition cost, CAC, should always be less than LTV. If LTV is 60 and CAC is 20, that's profitable. But if CAC is 70, you're losing money. Many startups overspend on ads without knowing their LTV. Don't make that mistake. Second, use LTV to improve retention and extend user lifespan. The longer a user stays active, the higher their LTV. Boost retention with 1. Personalized engagement. Use targeted emails and push notifications. 2. Subscription upsells. Offer premium features and exclusive perks. 3. Loyalty rewards. Give long-term users discounts or special offers. Even a 5% increase in retention can boost LTV by 95–95%. Third, LTV helps you prioritize high-value users. Segment users into high LTV versus low LTV based on spending and engagement. Focus retention efforts on your most valuable customers first. Finally, use LTV to scale profitably. Once you know your LTV, you can decide how much to spend on ads, which acquisition channels bring the most profitable users, when to invest more in retention strategies. Most app teams focus only on downloads, but LTV-driven growth is what truly matters. Want more insights on app growth? Comment below with your biggest challenge in tracking LTV. Subscribe for weekly mobile app growth hacks. Remember, higher LTV, higher profits. Start optimizing today.